cage out, we need to do a few things first. Take a picture of any connections that you may have. Next thing we're gonna do is undo the harness from the motor. There's a couple screws holding the squirrel cage in. We're gonna take those out. Take the squirrel cage out. So we have to get this motor out. Let's go ahead and loosen up this set screw first. Take it out, put it in a safe place. Flip the squirrel cage over. Let's go ahead and take this ground off the motor. Next we have to take these 4 bolts out. Okay, we have them out. Next we have to get this motor out of the squirrel cage. We have it out. Put the squirrel cage away for later. Next we have to get the belly band and the legs off this motor. Up and out. We have this new motor to install. Let's take it out of the plastic. Now we want to put this belly band back on. We have to reinstall the legs back in here. Make sure the belly band is in the middle of the motor. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this belly band again. Good, nice and tight. We're ready to go back into the squirrel cage now. First I'm going to get the set screw in there. Just finger tight, just so it doesn't fall out. You're going to notice on your motor that the motor has a flat spot on it. That flat spot needs to go towards the set screw. And another thing that you need to keep in mind here is that the harness here has to go down away from where the air blows out. The air blows out of here, so my harness needs to be going this way. Harness down. Get this back in here. I forgot to set this thing with the key upwards so that we can go past the set screw. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get these bolts put back in. Let's get this blower wheel squared within the motor so that when you turn it, you don't hear any grinding sound. Use the back of a hammer and give it a little bit of a tap. We're nice and centered. When you spin it, no problem. So I have it there. Let's go back to the set screw that I have and tighten this so we can lock in our position. There we go. Let's verify everything is good. Let's get this thing back in the air handler now. You're going to notice that there's a track here and there's a receiving track in the air handler. So let's get this lined up and slid back in. We're on the track. In we go. Let's go ahead and get this screwed back in. Okay, that's that. Next thing is we can look at our phone to see that if there's anything that we missed connecting. All our wires are connected. All we're missing is plugging this harness back in. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, that's good. I'm going to go ahead and turn the main breaker on. The main breaker's on. Turn the thermostat on, and there we go.